Hi, this is Otai here again. I got my hands full with some laptops here which are working with the screen replacement. First of all, this is the one with the broken screen. I can't tell the type of screen in there. And I have this old machine here which is kind of dead, almost dead. So I've been trying to change the screen over here, but before I even do this, I have the feeling that the screen ain't gonna work with this because things come out of the machine and it's somehow a new machine. So without further ado, just gonna go ahead and take the screen apart before I can be able to tell whatever's going to happen with it. Without further ado, I'm going to take off the screen out of the laptop.
So this is how beautiful the broken screen looks like. It looks like a graffiti or some sort of painting, beautiful painting over here. So let me go back to my work.
Encourage what I'm doing right now, but I need to get this job done and I don't have the right tools here, but I'll compromise by using the kitchen knife to take out the screw. Yeah, I don't know to doing it. Yeah, now it's time to ply out the bezel, but normally people prefer to use the guitar brick, or some others like to use the screwdriver, flat screwdriver. But these are the reasons why I grow my fingernails, so that I don't leave a trace that I even touch the machine. So you get a snap coming out. To be extra careful on this side. Exactly. So the next step I'll be going into is to actually take off these little fillers over here so that I can just simply lift off the screen and flip it. You see them over there to check the screen. This baby, you see? So you see this little fella over here. I take off this, then I will gently lift off this. I'll actually slide it out. Voila, the thing is out. I think I had a similar screen, but I kind of broke it, so I have to go for a replacement. Such a coincidence that my previous screen was almost exactly like the broken one. You see these numbers over here. That's what you need to check out for when you are kind of buying a new one. But I was just looking at the connector over here. You see the connector? If you can slot it in
Why would it work? It'll work. So here comes the most difficult part of all. Actually taking out this screen. This machine has been already tampered with from some guys who use Clevo and taking such machines apart. You don't take time, you end up breaking everything since everything has been glued. So I'll do my best not to break the parts. Oops, I couldn't take out the bezel as using the small trick that I use in taking the other bezel out in the other laptop. This kind of laptop is old and kind of complicated, so you need to take off the front cover in order to be able to take off that bezel. So I need to take the screws from the back. The traditional way of opening up the laptop. Side out. Working on older machines sucks. All the newer machines, I can't use the easier way I used to just take off the screen like that on this machine because of the plastic bezel that's too deep. I can't just simply lift it up like that, so I have to take off screws from here to actually lift it, to get it lifted. Finally, I can lift it. Now that I can have access to those little fellas over here. It's time to call in the night. Look at you, man. That's what. Easy. There you go. Over like I did with the first one. Oops. Yeah. So they're kind of similar. Finally, I've been able to slide that thing out. It's having difficulties in doing that simple job because there's some sort of a glue adhesive behind it. So that now I'm going to swap it back on the other screen. With that out of the way, I'll put the screen. That's what I'm going to use for the replacement. I'll put it here, try not to break it, and So when I read everything cleared, that's what I'm going to use for the replacement. Just put it down. Then you see this little cable over there. I'll just insert it. I've inserted it, so there you go. So I forgot to tell you, I took off the power supply so that I don't cause any short circuit. So now let me plug it back in, then try to switch it on. So I used to stand and keep it over here. So let's switch it on and see if it will work. That's the moment we've been waiting for, and it works. But the screen looks a little bit smoother, so it works. I have to fix everything back, then try and close it. To avoid any hadding, I just use this sellotape to cover this thing over here to prevent any hadding. Now it's about time I put this what I call letter fellas back to the put the phone. There's the phone case, and I'm done replacing this thing. That's where I like to magnetize. I normally love to magnetize the screws so that this thing can easily pick them up. So with this little fellas of mine being bolted over there and that one over there, we're done with the screen replacement that way. And what is left is I just simply insert this back on the bezel or whatever you call it, and I put those screws and those plastic whatever fittings over there, and it's done.